Hi, my name is Leonardo Redavid. Today I'm going to be showing you the power of Redavid Orchid Oil Dual Therapy. It's a two-part system. You have the repair on one side and you have the shine serum on the other side. Basically, you put about 2 pumps of the repair and 2 pumps of the shine, and you mix it together and you just massage it really well into that hair. And then we're gonna blow dry it, and you're gonna see the power of the dual therapy work. It's gonna give you more shine. It's gonna be able to take all the tangles right out, and it's gonna give the hair more strength, and the shine is where it's at. What we did with my model's hair, and we shampooed it with Redavid Orchid Oil shampoo and conditioner. We towel dried it a little bit, and now I'm just applying the Redavid Orchid Oil Dual Therapy. And with the dual therapy, make sure that you massage it in really well before you start your blow dry, and it will give you a beautiful, beautiful finish, and you'll see it in a few minutes as I start blow drying. And I'm just gonna use one little bit more. You're gonna see that your hands are not oily whatsoever. And I'm just gonna use one little bit more just on the ends, because I wanna make sure that I wanna fix all those split ends on her. And you can see I'm massaging it in. My model, Rihanna here, she's got absolutely fabulous curls, but sometimes she wants to be able to smooth the hair and give it a nice smooth finish, and she wants straight hair for the day. So the dual therapy will definitely achieve that very easily. Here it comes.
Shine already.
Oh yeah, it's gorgeous already. Like a little tangle in there. getting bigger as well. Something like that. This is possible more than before when it comes down. All right, as you can see, I'm almost finished my blow dry. This is just round brush, and you can see the shine in her hair, and look how long it's gotten. And it's absolutely beautiful. The way it feels is just so smooth and silky. I absolutely love it. When you blow drying with the dual therapy, it really makes the hair really smooth, very easy to blow dry. You don't really need to work that round brush whatsoever. Just put heat to it, and it just absolutely lets the hair slide right through your brush. It's absolutely incredible. As you can see how gorgeous and the shine it is, and it's really coming together. Wow, I love it. All right, I'm just gonna keep going here. I'm just gonna put a few final touches to it. Doing is just I want to give it a little bit more finish to it. I really want the hair really to pop and really give it a shine. So I'm just putting a little bit of a flat iron to it. You don't need to, but I just like it. It just gives it a little finish, and you don't have to hold it very much, just a tiny bit, and it'll just give me that little extra smoothness that I really need. And you can really see it, how gorgeous it is. Find that the dual therapy, once you put heat to it, you'll find that it really seals in the hair. It really, closes the cuticle, and you can really see as I'm passing the hot iron, you can actually really see the shine really pop a lot more. Easy to work. Once you put the dual therapy in, it's really easy to work with the dual therapy. It will really make the hair very smooth. It just slides through your brushes. It really slides through your flat iron. You really don't have to work really hard at all. It really takes all the tangles out as well. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I finished my blow dry. As you can see how beautiful and silky and smooth and how shiny the hair is. I absolutely love it. Look at the smoothness of the hair and the quality. There's absolutely no split ends. There's no frizziness to it anymore. The hair just feels absolutely like silk. I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna touch it up just a little bit more. What I'm gonna do right now, I just wanna seal the hair. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of a flat iron just to kind of seal it just a little bit more, the product in there, and it's heat activated, so it'll really close all that cuticle in the hair, and it'll make the hair even smoother and shinier than what you see right now. So I'm just gonna go over it just very lightly. You don't have to do it too much. Just very lightly, just pass the flat iron through it, and you can see how shinier and smoother And you'll find the flat iron will just glide through that hair. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. It turned out really, really nice. I can't wait till Rihanna feels her hair. It'll be like the first time she's feeling Redavid Orchid Oil in her hair, and I just want to see what she's got to say to that. And I'm just one more little pass here. Absolutely fantastic. Beautiful. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna seal it a little bit more. You can see I got a little flyaways. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the Redavid Orchid Oil treatment. One little pump, that's all you need. And just emulsify it in your hands and just pat it down and look at the shine in her hair. It's absolutely amazing. It will really penetrate the orchid oil. Won't make the hair greasy or oily, or won't weigh the hair down whatsoever. And look at the shine in their hair. It's just incredible. Orchid oil is one of my favorite products. I work with it all the time. It just seals it in. Wow. All right, here's the truth. Rihanna, feel your hair, baby. Go ahead.
So smooth.
I love it. Doesn't it feel nice?
Yeah.
How does it smell?
It smells like you said, the orchids. It smells exactly like that.
You love it?
Yeah, I don't want to stop touching it.
I love it. This is what her hair looked like, okay? And look how smooth and gorgeous that side is. When she wants to smooth her hair, it's about a foot longer, Rihanna. You got really long hair now.